This is a roll of Kodak Portra 400 color negative film. In this video we're going to load it into a couple of cameras, and then I'm going to show you some sample photos taken with this film stock so you know what to expect. To load your Portra 400 into a camera that has an automatic film advance, open the back of the camera, drop the film into the cassette chamber like this, and pull out a leader and line it up with the end of the leader with the orange index there. Close the back of the camera, and your film will automatically start to advance, or do so when you push the shutter button. Some cameras like this have silver pins right here, and those read the DX code on the film cassette. That DX code tells the camera how fast, that is to say what speed film you're using, so it knows that how to set the shutter and aperture automatically. For cameras like this that do not have a DX code reader, remember to set your film speed yourself. This is a 400 ISO film. ISO and ASA are the same thing. For cameras like this one, which have a manual film advance, we're simply going to open up the back of the camera, drop the cassette into the cassette chamber, and push the forks back into place. Pull out the leader and slide it into the film take-up spool like that. Put our finger over the sprocket, and now we can close the back of the camera. Advance your camera until you reach frame 1, and remember to set your film speed to 400. And now here are sample photos taken with Kodak Portra 100 so you know what to expect from this film.